Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Hey everyone, checking in on the tech sector on absolute fire. XLK, Apple, and Facebook daily weekly time frame. So look at XLK, bull flag confirmed. How we know this is strength is the amount of consolidation compared to the bull move to the upside, and the wicks. The lower wicks are telling us the bulls are buying any consolidation they can, and this consolidation was coming after a huge move, tiny pullback, and now continuation to the upside. New all-time high, close up at the high, and looking for continuation with the bulls in full control. So we're looking at 54.98 as the all-time high, 55 psychological resistance. Then we'll be looking up at 55.50 and 56 from here. Our new base of support is the low of this consolidation, 54.56. That's the level the bulls want to hold in the short term. If we lose that level in the short term, breaking that level, we will then look to shift and see some more significant consolidation. So it's nice to have these bases of support built on the way up, as they can act as our benchmark. If we are shorter term traders, mid-term swing traders, these become important levels. The weekly time frame here shows extremely strong move to the upside. 2 gap ups in a row on the weekly time frame, closes up near the highs of the weeks, 3 weeks in a row, and there is no slowing down these bulls at this point. On the weekly, longer term outlook, the support to be watching is 52.33, that double bottom. As long as we form a higher low on any consolidation, which has not happened on the weekly chart since that double bottom, then the bulls remain in full control. So 52.33 is the important level if you are a longer term swing trader or perhaps an investor, and otherwise you're looking at the most recent support of 54.56. Apple on the daily time frame, bull flag confirmed. Inside bar on the daily time frame, beautiful signal on Friday, and the inside bar gave a bull signal as soon as 147.14 breaks, and here we are seeing over $1.70 to the upside on that bull break. We closed at the high of the day. We had increasing bull volume. We closed back above the upper Bollinger Band, and Apple bulls complete 180 recovery from that dip on the earnings, the gap fill, and now rocket ship to the upside. Extremely strong weekly chart. Look at the volume, fending off the bearish MACD cross, higher lows and higher highs, exponential support still holding. Apple is one of the lead bulls in the market right now because the tech sector is the lead sector in the market, and Apple is the lead bull in the tech sector, in my opinion, with at least the technical chart here. So looking at Facebook on the daily time frame, Facebook is not recovering as quickly as Apple did from its earnings, but I do believe that it will be all right in the long run, because look where we're coming from. We're coming from a huge 2.5-week run heading into those earnings. Then we consolidated. It was normal and healthy consolidation. We built our base of support at 148.72, and now we're watching to see if the bulls can hold that level. If we cannot, there's a gap at 147.75 we're keeping an eye on. Bulls need to break the high of the past 2 days, 150.152, 150.163, and head back towards that all-time high. Certainly the bulls have momentum in the market now and in the sector itself, so we are going to be watching to see if this low of 148.72 can hold. Weekly time frame, however, is a bearish reversal spinning top candlestick, rejecting from the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly the last 2 weeks in a row. So if we do break this low of 148.72, the odds of confirming that bearish reversal candlestick on the weekly time frame then become a lot more likely. There's also a weekly gap here at 144.25. So we had a little gap up open on the weekly time frame. That is potentially going to fill if we were to confirm this bearish reversal candlestick this coming week. So Facebook bulls trying to follow along and act as a bit of a laggard to Apple. Apple recovered very quickly. Facebook recovered on the day of its earnings dump, but didn't end the week strong like Apple did. So still some timid bulls in Facebook. We'll see if they can hold that low of consolidation. I appreciate you watching. We'll keep checking back in every day as always. Congrats to the tech sector bulls, certainly extremely strong.